Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So, today we'll be angling our discussion on the UK accounting standards and the UK GAAP, General Accepted Accounting Procedures. So, let's dive in. So, uh, UK accounting standards refer to the rules and principles that companies in the UK must follow when preparing financial statements. These standards have evolved over time and currently consist of mixed UK specific standards and international ones. So the businesses is following these presentations of the report. Yeah, why we have this kind of system? For one reason is to protect the investors and government intervention control, because there's an agency that checks the rightfulness of doing the business. So we have this UK accounting UK accounting standards. Number one is financial report framework. The UK companies generally use one of the following frameworks: UK GAAP, General Accepted Accounting Practice. This is a suite of accounting standards developed by the Financial Reporting Council (FRC), one of the highest. So main standards GAAP are FRS 100. So there is a series of numbers. No? FRS 100 applications for financial reporting requirements. 101 reduce 101 reduce disclosure framework. 102 financial reporting standards applicable in the UK and Republic of Ireland. 103 insurance contracts. 104 interim financial reporting. 105 financial reporting standard applicable in micro entities. Okay. So the IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, or simply call it IFRS. So publicly listed companies are required to use IFRS adopted in UK for protecting the investors. Now, it's also optional for other companies. So who uses what? Who uses what? No? So for example, micro entities, FRS 105, small entities, FRS 102, Section 1A, medium to large private entities, FRS 102, subsidiaries of group using FRS, open use FRS 101, listed companies, IFRS UK adopted. So the key bodies are the FRC, regulates and sets UK accounting standards, company house enforces filing requirements and formats. The GAAP refer to the common sets of accounting rules, standards, and procedures for financial reporting, so that the business runs well. No? The UK, the equivalent is often referred to as UK GAAP, because there is also US GAAP, governed by the financial reporting. By the way, UK is the center of the financing in the world. No? So they follow the UK standard. What is UK GAAP? Stands for United Kingdom General Accepted Accounting Practice, and it outlines standards and principles companies in the UK must follow when preparing financial statement, the income statement, balance sheet, and the financial statement. So we have legal requirements under Companies Act 2006. Accounting standards issued by FRC, like FRS 102, 105. So the core principles of the alignment, number one is consistency. These are the principles. No? Once an accounting method is adopted, it should be used consistently across period. So there is no other standard. No? Example, company using the straight line depreciation. There are many forms of depreciation. But once they use a straight line for one, it should be straight line for the other. That is consistency. Method for equipment must continue using it unless there is a step-by reason for change. Accrual basis, this is the most famous. No? It's a principle. It says that revenue and expenses recorded when they are earned or incurred, no? Not when cash is received, period. if they are recorded and then they are earned good, no? Last year should be last year, not today, because today is different. Application recognizes revenue from service in March, even if payment is received in April or next year. So that is uh, it cannot be all inclusive now because there is a record of in the ledger accounting. No? It will be shown and audited. Then another principle is going concern business assumed to operate for the foreseeable future. This is a principle. No? Example, assets are not valued at liquidation price unless the company is closing. So take note of these principles, no? In valuation. Another principle is prudence. This is the conservatism. It says that do not overstate income or assets and recognize liabilities and expenses when in doubt. So this is in the case of Enron, they violated this one. So they float the value of the company even if it is zero. They make it high, no? Just to appease the investors that the company is running well, no? And later they found out. Okay? So example, making a provision for doubtful debts even if the customer hasn't defaulted yet. No? So prudence. No? Another principle, materiality. Only information that would influence decision needs to be disclosed. No? So this is materiality. Example, 100 pound calculator may be expensed immediately rather than capitalized. Another principle, faithful representation. Financial statement must be complete, neutral, and free from error. No? So that means because many managers is handling it. No? So it must follow the several principles. You can disclose all liabilities and contingencies transparently. So when investor asks, they should show. No? So here's the table. No? If the entity type, like micro entities, small entities, and so on. An accounting framework and standard example. No? For micro entities, UK GAAP. That is standard example is simplified disclosure. Small entities, this rule, and then abbreviated. Medium to large firms, these rules, and then example is a full financial statements. Listed companies, this rule, and then international standards. No? Example in practice, depreciation. An entity shall allocate the depreciable amount of an asset on a systematic basis over its useful life. Example, a delivery van costing 20,000 depreciated is depreciated over 5 years. Using the straight line method, 4,000 expense per year because it divides 20,000 divided by 5, so 4. Then another example is revenue recognition. Using this rule, revenue from service is recognized by the reference to the stage completion. Examples, a software company delivering project over 6 months recognize 1 over 6 of their revenue each month. So they are just divided to present in the record. Yeah, because accounting is record. No? Provision using this rule, the provision should recognize when an obligation exists, no? And can estimate that reliable. Example, a warranty liability for products. No? So these documents lifted from these references. No? So we'll continue. I think this is the end of this corporate reporting. We'll continue on the next subject. No? Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.